Today I'll show you how to make a iron frame combination lock, and I hope you enjoy, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Thank you. And show you guys how to build the combination lock. Okay, so you're gonna have to go in, and this is the combination lock to open the door. So the sounds are from my other machine. So for me, the password's left, down, and right. So see, it'll open like a boss, and you'll be able to walk through. So okay, first step you have to do is to get the blocks of choice and build two like this. Okay, and place an iron frame in each one of them, and in the back of them place a block in each of them. Place a computer behind each one, and then now you have to place a block above the computer, so you have to shift and do it. So yeah, like that. Oops. Like that, and like that. Okay. There you go. Perfect. And then you have to place your thing that you want to make. So I just placed my 3 redstone torches. Okay. Now you extend your password the amount of redstone you want. So I'll just make mine's. Okay, I'll make mine's 7. Okay, I'll make mine 7. Place redstone all the way at the end. Okay, and then who's making that weird villager noises? Stupid area. Okay, ignore this. I'm gonna destroy these villagers and their misery in jail. There'll be no more stupid villagers in this world. Yes. Exactly what I wanted. Okay. Now you're gonna need to extend the second one, so mine will be 5. So 5. Okay, the next one I'll extend to 3. I'll be using the same password. So yeah, extend the redstone to where you want it to be. Okay, so now you place a redstone torch at the end of it. And only if you turn it to that right password, it will be off. Place the redstone under the and 1 block over the torch like that. There you go. That's what's supposed to happen. So like this. It's supposed to be like this right now. And then the longest one, you have to place a repeater and a piece of redstone here. So that, and then make sure the others have to connect too. To place repeaters in front of all of them to keep the redstone on long. And then you just connect them quickly like this. Then in the middle you place 2 get out here, cow. Place 2 repeaters going to the right. Okay, and 1 more, get out. Place 1 more here. Place redstone going all the way back down to the start. Now you have to build the door area. So you'll have to skip 2 blocks and then build a door area. Of course you need a door, but for a door you have to go to the side and make it like this so that it will close properly. Okay, so you break a block here and here, extend the redstone all the way down till it reaches that area, and make it go like this, and pretty much you're done. So you just flip it, it'll turn back to normal. So now this is all up. So that we'll try it to see if it works. So left, down, and right. As you can see, the door has opened, and when you want to close it, you would do it. So, yeah, that's it. I'll be ending the video by burning this stupid cow. Yep, I hate the cows and villagers. Okay, then see you next time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye!